What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we are grilling up some chicken wings. That's actually so easy to do. Let's go ahead and get started. So first I have 3 pounds of split chicken wings. You can use whole chicken wings if you like. Split chicken wings will cook at a more even and consistent temperature. And then I have 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke that just helps enhance flavor. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is going to tenderize the meat and also add flavor. You can omit it if you wish, but trust me, you won't regret using it. Then I have my homemade BBQ Rub seasoning. I'll provide full details in the description box below what's included there, or you can just use your favorite rub. And then you can either marinate those wings for an hour to overnight or throw them right on the grill. And so first I add a little bit of olive oil to my grill grates. That'll help prevent any sticking. And then this grill is heated to 425 degrees. I like to let these grill and flip them every 5 minutes. That way they cook evenly and consistently, and I like to get them crispy as well. So you want to make sure that those chicken wings reach a minimum internal temperature of at least 165 degrees. Once they reach 165, I start to check them out to make sure that they're crispy, and I leave them on there until they've reached that desired level of crisp. And there you have it, grilled chicken wings.